root tan x secant power 2x dx. This is given. So I equals to, you need to take integral tan x whole power 1 over 2 secant square x dx. So here differentiation if you take, so differentiation of tan x is, d means differentiation, tan x is secant square x dx. Then deriving tan x with respect to x, I equals to integral tan x whole power 1 over 2 d of tan x by substituting. So I equals to 2 by 3 tan x whole power 3 over 2 plus c. So by using general rule of integration, so which is integral u power n du or x power n dx, whatever, u power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So the answer is 2 by 3 tan x whole power 3 over 2 plus c. Pooja, understood?
Yes, understood.
Right.
Okay, next question, number 41.
Number 41. Na?
Yes, number 41.
This is integral cosecant square x by cot cubed x dx. Integral cosecant square x over cot cubed x dx. So here let u equals to cot x. So then du differentiation equals to minus cosecant square x dx. Then minus du equals to cosecant square x dx. Then, so this is integral cosecant square x by cot cubed x dx. So if you substitute there, you will get integral minus du by u cubed minus integral du by u cubed integral u power minus 3 du. That is equals to minus u power negative 3 plus 1 by negative 3 plus 1 plus c. That is equals to 1 over 2 u square plus c. That is equals to 1 over 2 cot square x plus c. That is equals to 1 over 2 tan square x plus c. That's it. Understood, Pooja?
Yeah.
Right.
The next question is 57.
Next question.
57.
57.
57.
Yeah. So now use the integration rules. So the fundamental theorem of calculus here. Now you can substitute the limits. Yeah, okay. So here we are going to use the formulas, integral rules, which is integral f of g of x, g prime of x dx equals to integral f of u du equals to capital F of u plus c. Integral k dx equals to kx plus c. Integral x power n dx equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So the fundamental theorem of calculus, FTC, it's a function f is continuous on the closed interval a comma b, and f is antiderivative of f and on the interval a comma b. So then integral a to b f of x dx equals to capital F of b minus capital F of a. So to evaluate this integral, we will use let u equals to x cubed plus 1. Then so u equals to x cubed plus 1 implies du equals to 3x square dx x square dx equals to 1 by u 1 by 3 du. Before substituting, determine the new upper and lower limits of integration. Lower limit when x equals to 1 implies u equals to 1 cubed plus 1, that is equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Upper limit when x equal to 2 implies u equal to 2 cubed plus 1, that is equals to 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Integral 1 to 2 square root of x cubed plus 1 dx equals to integral 2 to 9 2 root u 1 by 3 du, that is equals to 2 by 3 integral 2 to 9 root u du. This page is done now, Pooja? Or I'll write one more page.
No, I'm not done.
Okay, till here write down.
Bless you. Okay, next page.
Done, na?
Yeah.
Two by three integral 2 to 9 root u du. Next. Two to 9 u power 1 by 2 du. 2 by 3 u power 3 over 2 by 3 over 2 2 to 9. That is equals to 2 by 3 2 u power 3 by 2 by 3 2 to 9. 2 by 3 2 into 9 power 3 over 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2 power 3 by 2 by 3. That is equals to 2 by 3 into 2 into 27 by 3 2 into 2 root 2 by 3. Two by 3 into 18 minus 4 root 2 over 3. So that is 2 by 3 into 18 minus 2 by 3 into 4 root 2 over 3. So here nothing is cancelled, and here 3 ones are 3 6 are. That is equals to 12 minus 8 root 2 by 9. That's it. Right.